So today we're working on replacing some parts on a Woodmizer BMS 250 sharpener. The circuit board came for this machine, but we're not going to tackle that right now. We're going to look at a switch issue that we have with this other BMS 250 that we have. And I've kind of already started, but I noticed something. I just want to do a follow-up. So here's the new switch that came. And the issue with this unit is you'll see the green tabs. That means the switch is stuck in the on position. So when I turn on the unit and I turn on the P1, and then when I turn on the P2, that should send power to these switches. But what it does, because this one's on, the grinder motor starts right off the bat. So it makes it difficult in setting up your adjustments at the start of sharpening a blade. It's possible, it's doable, but it still needs to be fixed. So anyway, this part here on this switch, the WLS, needs to be replaced. They sent me the whole thing. Now, this part comes off with two clips. There's one here. You just kind of spread it, and this part pivots out from this part, and it comes off of here, so it becomes two pieces. I'll try that now. Right, so where are we at here? We need to take the blade, just kind of turn that a little bit, and what that does, it pulls apart, and if you turn that around, this pops out. So you're left with these two pieces. So on the switch on the machine, this is spring loaded. So the spring or something is wrong in this one. So in looking how to disassemble this, there's a lock nut here, because this part locks onto the face of the cabinet, but I don't know how to get this off. How to get this gray part off of this black threaded part, so that this can go here, the black part can go underneath, and then you put them together and you end up with that right there, and then put this on. So I'm gonna skip the step of putting this on, because this part on the machine seems to be functioning correctly, and I'm just gonna replace this. Now this one, the new one, came this on the center. And you'll notice when you turn this, both of these black parts, here and here, push up and down, and they make contact with these two green parts. So again, this is in the middle, like this. But now on the machine, you'll see that they're offset. And I don't know why. But I'm going to put the new one on here, and hopefully it'll work. So I got the two wires off, and what I noticed was that there's like an expansion here, a swelling. So something happened in here, and when I took it off, and I don't know if you can see this or not in the lighting or not, but see where it's melted? This wire, which is WLS number 3, got hot for whatever reason. Where's it? Here. And you can see right down at the bottom there where it melted that plastic and things heated up inside. So yeah, I'm just going to replace this, put everything back just like this, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so that's on. I'm just going to turn the knob. And we're going to watch these two green parts should come up and then go back down when I go to shut it off. So turn it on and then shut it off. So that works. Alright, so we're going to plug this machine back in. And we're going to turn on the power. Now the switches are off. WLS is off. So when it was broken, when I turned this on, the grinder will come on. So when I turn this on, that should stay off. And it does. So if I turn this to turn the power to the grinder motor. So that works. This is all fixed now, and hopefully we can sharpen and get some work done.